Hi everybody. Um, we are still working on context clues, and I graded the quizzes and the assignments, and it seems like some of you still don't know these words, so I want to give you another chance. There are 4 words that you need to know what they mean, and today you are going to study them until you know what they mean. And then you're going to have a chance to take a quiz one time. You have to get all 4 words correct in order to pass the quiz. Okay? So if you know all 4 words, you get an A. And if you don't know all 4 words, you get an F. Okay? There are 4 words, and today you need to learn these words. You'll notice on my computer screen it says review. Review. We have been working on these 4 words now for some time now, since February. Okay, maybe even in January we started them. But these are 4 words that you need to know, and you need to learn them today. You need to spend time learning them today, and today you need to take the quiz on them. And if you get all 4 correct, you get an A. If you get 3 correct, you get an F. If you get 2 correct, you get an F. If you get 1 correct, you get an F. 0, you get an F. Okay? So it's either you know them all and you pass, or you don't know them all and you fail. All right? Okay, so let me show you this next slide here. Well, there we go. At the top here it says move the word so it is next to the meaning. On this assignment, many of you did not move the word. You did not move the word, okay? This is what your assignment should look like. The sentence gives the meaning of the word as part of the sentence. That's a definition clue. The sentence uses another word that means the same thing as the new word. That's a synonym clue. The sentence lists 1 or 2 things that explain the word. That's an example clue. The sentence uses a word that means the exact opposite of the word so you can compare them. That's an antonym clue. So I need you to study these. Okay, I'm going to give you something to use to study. It's in Quizlet. I'm going to show you that next. In Google Classroom, there is a link to Quizlet. And when you click on the link, it will take you to Quizlet. Okay, these are the flashcards to study for context clues. Flashcards. So here's the word synonym. Click on this and it gives you the definition. A word that has the same meaning as another word in the same language. See, tired and sleepy, those are synonyms. Rescue and save, those are synonyms. Then you go to the next card. Antonym. Click here. A word with a meaning that is the opposite to the meaning of another word. After and before, opposite. Always, never, opposite. Ugly, beautiful, opposite. These are all antonyms. And you go to the next word. Definition. A statement that gives the meaning of a term. See, that looks like a dictionary. Emotion, a feeling, a mental state. Definition. 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 Okay, then you go to the next one. Example. Something that is typical of the group of things that you are talking about. And then I have pets, and here are examples of pets. These are all in the group for pets. Okay, so you're going to study these again and again and again until you know what they mean. So you're going to look at the word synonym and you're going to think, what does that mean? Think about what it means. Synonym. and then check to see if you were right, okay? So synonym. Synonym is same. I think synonym is same. And then look. Yes, good. I know that one. Antonym. I think antonym is when they tell me what the word means. And now I'm going to check myself. Oh, no. Antonym is not when they tell me what the word means. Antonym is opposite. Antonym is opposite. Antonym is opposite. You're going to practice until you know what these words mean. Then I want you to practice with matching. Okay, so matching, it's a game, and you have to drag the corresponding items onto each other to make them disappear. Okay, so where are the words? There they are. Okay, this pets is example. Word that means the same, that is synonym. Statement that gives the meaning, that is definition. A word that means the opposite, that is antonym. Okay? I can play again, or I can try something different. I want to try something different. So let's see. Maybe I can just click over here to do something different. Okay? I'm going to go back. Oops, I'm going to go back. Sorry. Now I'm going to try gravity. That's another game. Gravity. Protect the planets from incoming asteroids. So I want to study all of them. I want it to be easy the first time. I want to answer with the term. So now I'm going to have to answer by writing the term. Okay, so here we go. If you miss a term twice, they will destroy your planet. Uh-oh. All right, a statement that gives the meaning, that's definition. A word with a meaning that is opposite, that is antonym. A word that has the same meaning, that's synonym. Something that is typical of the group, that's example. Something that is typical of the group, that is example. A statement that gives the meaning, that's definition. A word with a meaning that is the opposite, that's antonym. Okay? So, this is really good practice for you to make sure you know the words. I want you to play all of these games. Oh, writing, that's another one. Writing. A word that has the same meaning, synonym. Oh, look, I need to study the spelling for this one, but I was close, okay? Definition, right? Opposite is antonym. Okay, so you're going to practice that one. And there used to be one on here called quiz. I don't see it. That's okay. Oh, test. They call it test now. Okay, test. A word that has the same meaning as another one, synonym. A word with the opposite meaning, antonym. True, false question. A statement that gives the meaning of a term, definition. Is that right? I'm going to say true. Something that is typical of a group, example. I'm going to say that's true, and now I'm going to check my answers. 100%, good job. Okay, so you are going to do all of these until you know it, know it, know it, know it, know it. You need to know these 4 words. Okay? So for the quiz today, you need to know these words and you need to know which definition they go with. You need to know all 4. You need to get 100%. You can only take the quiz one time, and it's either you pass with an A or you fail. When you are ready to take the quiz and you know you will get 100, then you will take the quiz. But many of you still don't know these 4 words. Today is the day you need to learn these words and take this quiz, okay? If you know the words right now, you don't have to play the games. I have other work for you to do. But if you don't know the words right now, today is the day that you are going to learn them. All right? It's only 4, so it shouldn't be hard, and it's a review. So spend a little bit more time on that and make sure you know them, and then you can take the quiz. All right, good luck. I know you can do it.